Welcome back. Well, the Theater Guild is here with us today, but not two of the normal people you would normally see here. We've got Kiki and Percy who are here with us. Well, welcome both of you to the show. I know it's a little overwhelming, Percy, but you know, just relax.
I'll be okay.
It'll be all right, because Kiki will do most of the talking, the Cuban star.
Oh, Jess, I really want to talk today.
I was curious, though. You said you don't have normal people here. Are we not normal?
Oh, you know, that was a misspoke. I'm so sorry. Oh. But it's okay. Right. You'll be fine. So, Kiki, why don't you kind of run us through what's going on?
You mean, why am I here?
Why are you here?
I am here to talk about our show, Love, Sex, and the Big City.
Nice.
I am Kiki, and I am Cuban pop star.
Yes.
Jess. I came over to this country when Fidel let us out. You know, we escaped the communism. Okay. It was wonderful.
All right. And Percy, what about you?
I'm just here because Kiki requires it.
I made him come.
Well, she doesn't actually make me come. I haven't done that in a while, but she's here, and she made me come here to tell about the show, I guess, right?
Yeah.
I'm on trial for murder in the show.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Well,
Jess.
So, folks, if you didn't already know, this is Barbara Powell and Jeff Sinclair, who are playing the characters from your show that's coming up this weekend.
Yes.
All right. Well, excellent. Let's talk about it.
I have wig hair, otherwise she'd whip this off.
So do I.
Let's talk a little bit about the show. I know there's the lady who co-wrote it, and tell me about her.
So Terry, we can't talk enough about Terry Fizet, who is in late stages of ALS, and she has been in theater a lot of her life. She went to, studied it in Chicago, but she also had a long career in lots of different, how would you say? Lots of different careers, actually.
God, what a variety, yeah.
She was a realtor, she was a mortgage broker.
Dental hygienist, taught dental hygiene.
Yeah, and she was a lawyer, a top lawyer.
Wow.
And, got a really big verdict for her client, and then she retired and came to Laguna Woods, and when she was 64, she was diagnosed with ALS, and she has been valiant in her efforts to fight this disease. And we did Grandparents' Revenge a couple years ago. She said, I got one more show in me. And at the time, she was still able to type with one finger. And then, gosh, why do I keep doing this? Then this summer, she says, I have one more show in me.
Right.
So we came up with this Barbizon idea, because she had been watching Mad Men, and one of the characters, Don Draper, said, get me a secretary from Sullivan's, and so that was the catalyst for this. So we just took off. We created these 4 crazy characters. Kiki, the Cuban pop star, Sister Uma God, Estelle D'Annunzio, a nice Jewish girl from Brooklyn, is playing a nun. And then we have Kate Jacobs as Irma Diamond, like Norma Desmond, Queen of the Industrial Musicals. And then we have Cheryl Baker, who is really acting her little socks off. She's a very mild-mannered, sweet person, and you got to watch this girl explode. With Percy here.
Yeah, she is the court reporter that goes a little bit wild when, and the prosecutor pays in the end. So it's fun to come watch.
Well, let's talk about when it is. So it's this weekend. It starts on Friday, March 13th.
Yeah, Friday the 13th.
Yeah, well, that's okay. And then Saturday, March 14th. And those show times are both at 7 p.m., right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then on Sunday, March 15th, is it 2?
2 o'clock.
Okay. All right. And you still have tickets available?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. All right. And it'll be at the Performing Arts Center.
Yes.
Tickets are $13 and $16. There will be a GRF bar. I assume that's a no-host bar.
Yes.
Okay.
We like the people happy.
Happy, well, yes. And that will be, if you want any more information about it, you can always call you.
Yes.
And your number is?
949-547-5525.
Excellent. And rehearsals are still going on?
Yeah.
Yes, tonight we're having sort of a dress rehearsal, tomorrow daytime dress rehearsal, and then Friday's the show.
Excellent.
Come out and check it out. I was also supposed to mention Theater Guild meeting next a week from tomorrow.
Okay.
So that's going on.
Excellent.
And also, you're Downton Flabby.
Yeah, I'm directing for the first time coming up in August. It's going to be August 16th and 17th. It's going to be a murder mystery dinner theater show. We did this show about 4 years ago.
Okay.
It was written by Beverly Aerosmith, who has since passed, but it's very, very funny, and it's a farcical event. It's going to be a lot of fun.
How many people will be in that?
There's going to be a cast of 10,
Okay.
10 main cast members and about 6 extras.
And you'll be having auditions for that?
We are going to do auditions June 1st and 2nd.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
I'm sure we'll have you guys on again to talk more about
Absolutely.
that.
Yeah.
All right, well, perfect. Well, thank you so much. It was very nice to
Oh,
talk to both
Jess,
of you.
It was my pleasure.
I'm glad I made it through.
All right. Thank you.
You
and
were
good-
very nice, Lisa.
Okay, well, good.
Jess,
Thank
you
you. I'm
were.
so glad. And
By
have
the-
a good show this weekend.
Are you
right.
married?
Hey,
We'll be
stop
right
that.
back. All right, on that note, don't forget that Kiki and Percy will be seeing you on Friday night and Saturday and Sunday. We'll be right back.
Love, Sex, and the Big City. A musical comedy features fictional stars who lived at the Barbizon Hotel. Why is Sister Umagod in witness protection? Pop singer Kiki is from Cuba, or is she? Irma Diamond recalls her start with the hot flushes. Mary Lou, the mousy housewife, has a killer secret. Tickets on sale now. Show runs March 13th through 15th.